that's been within the last 2 years. These houses here on the left, this house and the next one are just absolutely gorgeous. This one, but check out this house. This house is amazing. They've got a view. The brickwork is stunning. People with money have problems like that. I'll never know. Then you got a nice pallet fence. Build a privacy fence. I'm not building it out of pallets. But when people talk about moving to Andrews, I always think about trailers. For some reason, trailers just comes to mind. It's kind of what Andrews has turned into. A big ginormous trailer park. Trailer. Rundown shack. Really old houses. Then you got a nice house. Some nice stonework in the front. Nice big farmland. If they paved this road would be amazing. This would be a good road to ride all the time. You can see by the lines in the road that chip seal job they did wasn't great. Those lines in the road, when your motorcycle tire catches them, it's like riding on a slot car. Field full of geese. I'd be eating a goose. Alright, we're going to make a right-hand turn right here. This is Pisgah. If you went straight, you would just come out in Andrews at another trailer park. The pavement on this road's a little tiny bit better. Not great, better. Still rough and bumpy. I will warn you, this is going to be a beautiful day in the mountains today. I don't know what today is. 12th, 13th, 14th May. There's the Valor going over. But the day started out nice. I went to Farmer's Market in Murphy, got me a key lime pie. We're going to some friends for dinner. They asked us to bring dessert. And I didn't feel like cooking tonight. And everybody loves this dude's key lime pie at the Farmer's Market. It is as good, if not better, than that key lime pie from Red Lobster. That actually is, yeah, it's lime meringue pie at Red Lobster. saw my angry friend Margaret at the farmer's market. Margaret worked at Amazon with me. I really like the lady, but I don't know why she's so mad at the world. Okay, I'm gonna make a right-hand turn. This is Junaluska. Left-hand turn takes you to Business 19 that goes through downtown Andrews. But this is Junaluska. It's going to run us right up to Way Road. I am not going to video this entire road, but I'm going to let you see some of the houses that are in Andrews. These houses are from back when Andrews had money, when the people of Andrews had money. 60s, late 60s, 70s. Back when they knew how to build a house up here. When they knew how to build a house anywhere. You know, you buy a house from the late 60s, 70s, early 70s. Some of those houses that the Brady Bunch lived in, those are some nice houses. And then you get out, just past that, and all the trailers start again. So, yeah, Andrews has a serious amount of trailers. So I'm shutting the video off here. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. You know you want to. Thanks for watching.